Hey everybody, Ross here. This is just a quick news update on crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum. And I know I said I would do these about once a week. Basically, I'm going to do them whenever I have time, whenever it's possible for me to do. I do have a 20-month-old son, and he is a little terror at the moment, running on the loose. So basically, it's whenever I have time and my husband is able to keep track of him. So let's go ahead and dive into this. I did actually find some recent news on Twitter. They're a news source for me, and they just posted about 30 minutes ago from JP Morgan that crypto staking is the next big thing. Of course, this does have positive sentiment, so that is good news in the world of crypto, thankfully. We need all that we can get. I did notice that we are holding in my green box range on the 1 hour time frame. Seems like it went up, tapped that resistance, and then promptly came back down, and now it's just pretty much staying sideways for a little bit. So we're gonna see what happens over the weekend and hopefully have a better week next week once the holidays are over and everybody gets the fireworks out of their system. Let's see here. Recent update on Binance. They are apparently now under scrutiny in Singapore, Thailand, and the Cayman Islands. This is not good at all because that puts added pressure on crypto itself. So it's not surprising. Hopefully it'll be blown over just like everything else has been. Apparently the reason why they're investigating the crypto exchange is because the past few weeks they have seen other countries, the UK, the US, Japan, Germany. Apparently, earlier this week, British users actually complained they were having issues using debit cards and fiat on-off ramps in conjunction with the Binance platform. Later confirmed the problem was solved, and apparently Binance has now stopped offering its services to Ontario-based users. Other news is this actually deals with Cardano. Grayscale bought them up. That is interesting. This is actually one ADA I got into because of one of the moderators in the Vision Algo Discord, Mitchie of Mitchie Trades. He is a huge fan of ADA along with a few others. And this is one that he told me about forever ago. And he was like, you need to be buying this up. I was like, okay. I haven't yet, surprisingly. I am a little slow on the ball game when it comes to crypto. I guess I just hate having to go through all the loops because I am in Texas, so it's a little bit difficult for me. But apparently what they did with Grayscale Investments is they sold some of their initial existing investments of the digital large cap fund and used those proceeds to buy ADA. So they now have about 67.5% Bitcoin, 25.4% Ethereum, a little over 4.25% ADA, 1.03 Bitcoin Cash, 0.99 Litecoin, and 0.86 of Chainlink. Well diversified. That is extremely good if you're in the world of crypto. As you know, don't put your eggs all in one basket because you want to have that diversity. You never know what's going to happen. So that's definitely something to think about when starting out with crypto if you are new. Other big one I did find was apparently, this is also a new article, South Korean crypto exchange executives arrested amid fraud fears. I have a feeling that all this bad news is just coming out all around the same time so that big money can still buy in while it's fairly low. Do I believe that Bitcoin will fall lower than it already is? Yes, I really do feel that it will. I feel that it's a bear market. But then again, I mean, I'm starting to think I'm a bear because I think the stock market needs a fall too. But that's just myself, my own personal opinion. In regards to that, I do want to say that Dogecoin is still holding well. Apparently, they were talking about it earlier today. Robinhood, they were saying that Dogecoin is generating a huge portion of their crypto revenue. So that's good news in regards to Dogecoin. I see that Elon Musk, of course, keeps tweeting about it, pretty much non-stop. So that's something to consider with the validity of the market itself. He posted 16 hours ago a meme about Dogecoin, and it appears to have been received mediocre in sentiment. It's still holding on to its not extravagant gains now, but decent in the range of 24 to 25 cents. So that's the main news here for tonight. And as we see here, I am on the 1 hour time frame of Bitcoin. I'm actually on intermediate for vision, and it's holding very well on a bull signal currently. It'll be interesting to see what it does overnight, if it'll fall or potentially rise up. Does need to break this zone here and this resistance that I have here. Did want to check out Ethereum real quick. I did have that pulled up earlier, and I do have a nice resistance at about 2166, currently on a bull signal as well on the 1 hour, following Bitcoin nicely. And overall, crypto is holding steady. If we can hold this over the weekend, then we should see a very nice market week coming up. I did want to say for my thumbnail, I posted that on there as a reference to an article I read earlier today where someone was saying that crypto is a ticking time bomb. And I thought that was highly accurate because no one knows if it's going to blow up. Well, we all know it will eventually, or blow down, which I am of the mind that it will actually drop first before skyrocketing up again. So on that note, I will leave y'all for the night. And if y'all have any questions, would like to hear any other crypto news, y'all send some links my way. Chat with me in the Discord or on the YouTube channel. I'm pretty much everywhere 24/7. Yes, I have my 20-month-old son. Thankfully, I have a wonderful husband that takes awesome care of him and allows me to be on here with y'all and get the work that I need to done when it comes to keeping y'all informed. So on that note, y'all have a good one. Happy 4th of July weekend.